Hey Spy Ninjas, in the last video on Chad's channel, Chad was wanted by the FBI for some odd reason.
There were wanted posters hanging up all over the place with my face all over it.
Yeah, so. Chad is completely innocent. Someone is framing him right now and we're trying to figure that out. And then on the last video, I actually went to a lab and I found this box here and we think there's something in this box. Possibly there's some clues leading up to solving what's happening to Chad right now. I've been trying to crack this open and the code that we found didn't work. I think we need to find a different way to open this, Chad. Do you have any ideas?
You know what? Daniel and I were actually following one of the hackers. He was carrying like a white box. He dropped it, he put it on the ground. So we brought it home and I did notice that there were some ninja weapons in it. But I noticed that in the box here, check it out, there's this card. It says combative, a new breed of martial arts weaponry. This is really interesting because the only place I've ever gotten things from before is Karate Mart. So this is
from combative? It looks like maybe Project Zorgo hackers are using this website to get their gadgets. Let's see here. Warning, only use this outside to prevent personal injury or damage to property. This is probably some intense gadget because I don't think we ever have this warning whenever we order anything from Karate Mart, right, Chad?
Yeah, I've seen it.
You have it? Okay, well, never mind.
I mean, you know, Karate Mart gives you good warnings too, you know.
This has like the same texture as the bow staff that I've used in the past before. So it feels and looks like a bow staff, except for this end here. It looks like it might connect
This might go in there. So there's a little flap right here. I lifted it up, and then now if I press it down, there we go.
Oh.
Look at that. Now
you
it's all
are a gadget weapon ninja, aren't you?
I am. It's cool.
All right, let's test this out. Oh!
Oh yeah.
It is a bow staff. Right here, you can unlock it.
Whoa.
And it becomes two like batons.
Wow,
pretty much.
Is so cool.
Yeah.
Whoa,
oh, and how did I do that?
You just got lucky, V. Let me show you. You go like this. Ta-da.
Yeah.
That's tight.
Ah.
Yeah. On guard, V.
So it's almost like 3 weapons in one. You can use this as a baton, an extended baton, or a bow staff.
A bow staff. Bloop.
Cool. I feel like we should test this on some fruit just to make sure that it works well.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. How about, I'm gonna throw you some bananas, V.
All right, hopefully I can hit it.
V, are you ready?
Yeah, I am.
Oh! Whoa! Batter up. 3, 2, 1, banana!
Oh.
V! Hit harder than that, V! Okay, she did an okay job. I think she can do better. Let's do it again.
All right, let's do it again.
Split right in half. Talk about a banana split. Really gross now, though. Here, eat it.
No. I think all the guy hackers should be afraid of me because, like, if I can do this to the banana. All right, Chad. The next weapon is. Oh, I feel some
What is that?
I feel some like metal balls here. That's kind of crazy. You know, I think I'm gonna hand this off to you because you have more experience with that.
Oh, thanks, V. Yeah, I'm really good at handling metal balls. I've got a tape gadget. That would scare everybody away, right?
No. Oh, there's steel balls, Chad.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. It's like a wrecking ball. Whoa. I have definitely never used anything like this before. You know, I've heard of the workout video Buns of Steel, never Balls of Steel.
You should show the ninjas how to use this.
You know, I have never used it before, so I don't know how to use it either, but let's take a look at this thing. Check it out. This thing is very heavy. It's a metal ball connected to a chain. It swivels right here, and there's a nice metal bar. Really cool gripping. It's got indents here for your fingers, which is really cool. Ball and chain, baby. I know all about that.
Hey.
But I don't know how to use this, so I guess, should I try it? I don't know. Let's see. Stand back, V. What do? I think I go like this. Nope. Let's see. I think you just spin it like this.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. That's tough. That's tough to do. Can you go like this?
Oh. Whoa.
There we go. Boom.
Oh yeah.
Don't come near me because it's gonna hurt.
Yeah.
And it'll probably hurt me too.
Oh!
Ow, that hit my knee. Ow! Ow, that hurt. That hurt a lot. That is a really heavy metal ball.
Okay, you want to test it on a fruit, or is your knee enough?
It definitely does the trick on my knee really well. I'm not sure how well it's gonna do on a fruit, so we'll have to see.
Okay, well, you should do this. I don't want to do that.
All right. Go ahead and place that watermelon onto my stool, please.
Oh, I thought I was gonna throw it at you for some reason.
No, you're not throwing it.
Okay, so how are you gonna attack this watermelon, Chad?
I'm gonna do it in the safest way I possibly can. I'm gonna hold one ball in my hand. I don't want it hanging though and bashing me with my kneecaps, okay? And that means this one can spin around. And then
oh gosh. Oh my gosh. 3, 2, 1.
Wait a second. Chickened out. 3, 2, 1.
Look at the damage it did.
It went in there so easily. Whoa, V! Holy cow.
Oh my gosh, another thing on a chain.
Nothing could go wrong, right?
Yes, and look at this pointy tip here. Oh wait, it's a triangle.
No wonder that they're using this though. This doesn't look like a weapon that a hacker would use with like a pyramid shape. Oh, that's actually pretty sharp.
Very sharp.
Oh my gosh, that'll puncture anything.
Okay, I feel like I'm going to give this to you because you've already used something very similar to this in the past.
You're right, I did.
It was like the scorpion.
Mortal Kombat. Scorpion, get over here! If you guys have played Mortal Kombat, you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, and the last time you used this, it got really close to your face.
Nope,
that wasn't that one. Never mind.
Never mind, V. No, that was a different weapon, V. You're confusing all the chained weapons together. Oh. Okay, that would have been bad if it just fell right into my foot.
Okay, do not try this at home. Obviously.
Anyhow, why don't we take a look at the quality of this weapon. Check this out. Okay, this is about 4 times the weight of the scorpion weapon that I had before. Solid metal. Here's a swivel point again, the chain. This chain's not quite as long as the old scorpion one. And then a handle. Some good gripping on the handle. Shouldn't lose grip there. Another swivel here, which means you can spin it around like so. Very carefully, of course. Guys, if you get this, don't play with it. Make sure to treat it with respect. Respect me.
Yeah.
You know what I think this will do really well on?
Ooh, I bet a soda. A soda. No?
What were you gonna say?
A soda.
A soda n? You got a soda n.
I said a soda ninja.
There you go. I agree. Soda ninja. Let's soda ninja this up. Here you go, V. Show me what you got.
Ah!
It's heavy, isn't it?
Yeah, it is very heavy.
I'm just gonna stand over here.
Man, I just don't feel comfortable using this. And it's so pointy and so sharp. I don't really feel comfortable like doing any type of form with this, besides this.
That looks pretty good though.
Yeah.
Now do it, get over here.
Oh, get over here. Oh, okay, is that what it is? Okay. Okay, the scorpion thing? Okay.
You never played the game?
Get over here!
Wow, get over here! If scorpions sounded like that, nobody would be afraid to fight them. Here is the soda. Who do you think is gonna win, guys? The scorpion tail or the soda? Why do I even ask, right? I think you know the answer. Are you guys ready? Oh, come check this out. One hit from the scorpion tail and the stool is totally broken right there. 2,
1, 3, 1.
Oh, darn it.
Tree. Don't use this near a tree.
I don't know what happened there. That went flying everywhere. There's not much soda left there. Wow, look at that.
I'm completely wet. Daniel, he's wet too.
Oh my gosh, that smells so good.
And then the camera's wet. You guys are all wet right now.
Oh my
gosh.
Okay, we gotta clean that lens off here.
That was worth the wait.
Yeah. That was really fun. I can't remember like last time I had this much fun.
Yeah.
Like doing this.
Yeah. So I think this works pretty well at opening up things. What about the case?
Oh yes, let's get back to business and let's open that safe. All right, so which weapon should we try on this thing? Which did you think was the best?
Should we do the expandable bow staff, the ball and chain,
Okay.
or the scorpion tail?
You guys should comment below which weapon we should try on the safe right now.
And while you guys are commenting, we're gonna set this up. So you guys tried the combination already and you couldn't get in there, huh?
No. So we're gonna have to break this open, crack it open, and see what happens.
You know what I think's gonna work the best?
What?
The scorpion tail. B, you wanna do it?
No. I was like, well, at least this doesn't have any water in it. I hope not.
Yeah.
So I won't get sprayed again. But you should try it. I don't want to try it.
Okay.
Do you want me to try it?
Sure. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that went spinning.
Oh my gosh.
That was spinning like crazy.
That was really good.
That was like a helicopter spinning around. What happened to it?
Right here. This is where you punctured it.
Whoa! That is a big indent.
All right, since Chad demonstrated such a good job, I think I'm gonna try it this time. I feel a little more brave and a little more secure about myself this time, so I'm gonna try it.
Please be careful. Please do not let go of this handle.
Yes, I
don't
won't.
want this flying towards me or Daniel.
Okay.
Or you.
All right.
3, 2, 1, you got the girl! It totally opened. Look at this.
Whoa!
It's open. What is in here? Oh, dude.
Oh no!
This explains how they impersonated me, I think. I think this is gonna take a whole video to go over everything that's in here.
Thank you so much for being here whenever I post a brand new video. I'm showing you comments right here. Make sure to subscribe to me and subscribe to Chad. Check out this video right here to see how Chad is wanted by the FBI.
I didn't do anything, guys, I swear.
Follow me at Qwaint on Instagram and at ChadWildClay on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time. Kick bump!